Activate online grocery! A website popped up! I should buy some water first. Next, I should get something to eat that's ready-made. Balance? This skill is amazing! It's not useful in combat, but this skill's really strong.
This magic stove looks incredible!
This is one of our shop's finest items, a rare magic stove. Imbue some magic and it ignites right away. This could be all yours for just 50 gold coins.
I didn't have 50 gold, so I bought a normal portable gas stove with online grocery instead.
How was it?
The wyverns aren't a threat anymore. We wiped out every one of them. Is that a big deal?
Absolutely. Even if all the adventurers in Carolina had joined forces to go after those wyverns, half of them would have lost their lives in the process.
Half of them?
So when you took so long to return, we all started to worry that maybe they were too much for a Fenrir to handle.
Yeah, right. If only he knew Fel took down the wyverns in no time flat, and then we spent the rest of the time eating!
Those wyverns caused me no trouble whatsoever. The reason for our lateness is that we were enjoying a leisurely meal.
A meal?
Listen, the thing is...
Yes, it was truly an enjoyable meal. You should be proud.
Oh, good morning, Makoto.
I promised I'd be back to sell my wares, and here I am. This is what I got.
Allow me to have a look. One moment, please. Please, this way, to the back.
I've been a guildmaster for many years now, and never before have I seen salt and pepper of such high quality.
How kind of
Please tell me, where did you find such remarkable merchandise?
I used my online grocery skill!
4 gold coins for the salt, and another 10 for the pepper.
No way. They only cost me 5 copper coins apiece.
I was afraid that would be too low.
Huh?
All right then, in that case, 15 gold coins total for both of them.
He raised the price! Hey, listen.
Very well, 16 gold coins.
He did it again!
Fine, 17 gold coins. I can't go any higher than that. Done. Just stop yelling.
Só minha ponta treira, tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha o bico do fuzil, vai tomar só rajadão. Vai, toma, 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 vai, toma, rajadão.
Pan fry each side till golden. Then soak up any extra oil. Finally, caramelize the meat in the sauce. And it's done!